Hello and welcome back to My Gal the Zombie FX. Mwah, Halloween is creeping up and so am I, because I'm right behind you. Just kidding. I live in your soul. Anywho, I know the ladies love to get dolled up for the festivities of the scary season, and what's cuter than a matching mini-me? First step is finding a doll that speaks to you. I chose this black-eyed beauty. Sadly, I didn't have any glue sticks left, so I had to go straight into foundation after using a brow brush to sweep the brows upwards so they can be flattened more easily. Using a sponge to add the first layer of white onto my face, I need to do a couple of layers to get coverage, so you might have to also. And now I started on the clothes, first with the basic white outline, then the light yellow from the Mehron Prisma palette, using the light yellow. I think I said that. Then using the gold metallic powder to fill in that frill. I made that center design with the dark green and then used brown shadow to outline the frill. Then using the white, I did my best to match the tiny lace details, after which I layered some gold on top of all that decoration. And adding deeper shadows with the black shadow from the 252 palette. My poor doll has really bad laundering skills, so I had to add a lot of wrinkles. And then I used the clown white to dab in some shiny material highlights. Moving on to the black paint to help with the illusion. Of course, if you're out and about, you're probably wearing real clothes. Probably. And then I'm using the black paint to draw the brows and get those signature eyes. You could also do contact lenses if you like. Using the black shadow, I start shaping out the face. The doll's features are very young and her chin and cheeks are really round, so leaving nice round white spots and shading around them helps to create the illusion of that baby face roundness. Did I say round enough? Because you're going for round. After getting a nice layer going, I move to a larger brush to blend everything around. Get it? Next is the lips, and you want to make them much smaller and doll-like, obviously. And there we have it. I feel pretty. And there it is, twinsies. I hope you enjoyed this look and that it helps you in your Halloween costume endeavors. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials all month long and check out the ones I've posted in the past week. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always a place under my bed just for you.